Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me share with you the best strategy to manage government payments via Cash App. Alright, so the best strategy to manage government payments on Cash App is accuracy, verification, and stability. You want to ensure that your Cash App account is fully verified and that your personal details exactly match your official government records before submitting it for benefits or refunds. Use the correct routing and account number and avoid changing them once payments are scheduled. Monitor official payment schedules so you know when deposits are expected and can quickly identify, delays. Enable notifications to receive immediate alerts when funds arrive. Keep records of confirmation numbers or submission receipts from the issuing agency. Avoid using the account for suspicious or unrelated activities during active benefit periods, as these can trigger reviews. A steady verified account setup ensures that government payments are received smoothly and without interruptions. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. That's the best strategy to manage government payments on Cash App. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.